So the time's nearly over. I can't really see, my eyes are going blurry. So it's 1 minute 42 and I have to wait for it to finish. It's gonna be hard. I can see you, but my eyes are like really sweating in here. It's getting like boiling. There's like something here that's really hot. But when I've finished doing this, I'm gonna cut it open and see what's inside. So I'll just wait for the time to finish. It's 1:24, so let's just wait. It's under 1 minute now, so let's just wait. It's like 50. It's 48 seconds, so we got a couple. When it's finished, I will take this off and see what it looked like. So the timer just finished. Let's take it off. Ooh. Whoa. What the hell? I don't even know what this is for. It says warm eye mask. Relieves and relaxes tired eyes in 10 minutes. Fragrance free, one single use warm eye pack. Tear open the stretch by hand. No, it looks weird because there's some things inside. So I'm trying to open it right now. And it's not working. I want to see what's inside. I gotta pause. Okay, I've got it open. What the frick is that? So this was warming up my eyes. It looks weird. What is it? I don't want to open both of them. Okay, I should do this on something. Because I have no clue what they are. I'm scared. What the frick? No, this side's black. That side's just fully black. What is inside? It's not letting me get inside. Shouldn't open it with my teeth. Ew. What the frick is this? It's like black stuff. No, it's like black charcoal or something. I actually might keep what's inside of this. What is that? It's on my hand. I don't want to lift it up just in case it like goes out. But what is that? That was inside of the eye mask. Whatever it's called. Inside of this. What is it? Ew. everything is now black. I should put this somewhere safe, but that's the video, what I was going to show you. Peace out. Like and comment and subscribe. Do what you gotta do. See you in the next video.